Hi, it's Eva here at Stafford Land Rover. Today I look forward to taking you around the approved used Land Rover Evoque P300e R-Dynamic HSE. This petrol plug-in hybrid features a 1.5 petrol engine which is seamlessly mated to an automatic gearbox and is seen here today in Firenze red. Proceeding from the front, you'll see the premium LED headlights with our signature daytime running lights. Cascading down the side, you'll see the 20-inch gloss black alloys as well as the LED tail lights. As we open the powered tailgate, reveal a versatile amount of boot space. You'll also be able to see your power socket pack, which does include a domestic home charging cable. And looking to the rear, you'll see your ebony perforated Windsor leather seats, which will ensure comfort whatever the journey. And glimpsing into the cockpit will reveal your 14-way heated electric driver memory front seats, which will ensure every journey is as comfortable as the last. And as we take a closer look at your leather-heated multifunctional steering wheel, which is a courtesy of the extended leather upgrade, we'll also see your part digital display, which can harbour key information such as your speed. And as we move over to your Pivi Pro touchscreen, which is fully interactive, features Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and can provide great detail about your vehicle and its surroundings, such as your rear parking camera and your front and rear parking aid. You will also be able to access your climate control systems as well as your electric vehicle functions, which will show you such advice such as your battery, energy, and your charging capacities. As we now move down to the lower screen within your vehicle, which as you can see is also fully interactive. It harbours your climate control systems and your heated seat functions, which both driver and passenger can tailor to their own individual preferences. You will also be able to access various vehicle dynamics, such as your terrain response systems and your electric vehicle modes. And to finalise our journey, we look up to see your easy to access controls for your fixed panoramic sunroof, which will engross both the occupants and the vehicle in natural light. This has been a presentation of the approved used Land Rover Evoque P300e R-Dynamic HSE. Many thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed it and we look forward to helping you find your next Land Rover.